दोस्तों,
Hi,
कैसी
in
चल
this
रही है
video
जिंदगी?
we will solve this. So question asked, write a query that identifies cities with higher than average home prices when compared to national averages. So we have to compare home prices with the national average output the city. So let's check it out the table. We got ID, state, city, street address and MKT price. It means market price, I think. So I will write select. I have to use identifies the city, so I will use distinct city from this table. Now I will use here I can use solve this problem with where condition, but maybe it will not satisfy. Let's solve this problem with having condition. So I will group by city. Now I will use having average of market price, because as you can see in this table price is only belongs here. So average of market price can say is greater than average of here average price, but I will now I have to use subquery here. Select average of MKT price from, I'm not gonna write this, so I will copy and paste. Order by, I will do order by city. Let's run this code. Let's see. Okay, so now we got 3 cities, Mountain View, San Francisco. It means 3 cities which is satisfy this question. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you so much.
नहीं मिलेगा कोई मेरे जैसा। जाओ आजमा लो।